Nope. Hold on. All right, everyone. So, hold on. Can't roast here. Let's get going. So, I'm going to swap out two parts today. One of them is going to be this triple gauge hood that I bought online. Let's swap it out. I wrapped my stock one World Rally Blue, and it's really simple. So let's switch it. But first, I need some tools. All right, I'm going to switch sides so the light's behind me, so you can actually kind of see. Maybe, hold on, I got a better idea. Alright, so this is very simple. Basically pop this off. I believe you gotta unplug a couple harnesses for this whole HVAC and radio system. You pull this off, pop this piece off, two screws, change that out, reverse it, and you're all done. So let's get this done. There we go. You gotta you want to be a little patient with this. I'm not very good with patience, but it's not that bad. Actually, I don't even think I gotta unplug that. This one's the annoying one. Boom. Now, take some screws out. Try not to lose them. All right, this is different than I remember. Let me go around. Alright, so you gotta take out these two plugs in the back. Just a little tight in there. Not that big of a deal. Two more, then we swap it out. Old one. New one. This is my screw. My hands are too fat for this. Guy over here. What is he doing? Try to keep eating the floor mats, buddy. That's working. Definitely don't have any invention that sucks up dirt. Definitely never made one of those. That's back. Alright, so our second mod for today is going to be changing out my LED turn signals. What the fuck is that? Is that a fucking French fry? Whatever. So you get for living in the ghetto, I guess. Alright, so I'll be thinking, is this guy really going to take off his bumper to change turn signals? And the answer is yes. Alright, so I'm going to change out my turn signals. I have the Subie Speed LED ones. I have them smoked right now. And I'm tired of them, so I'm going to sell them. So it's a little illegal to drive around with no turn signals, so I'm going to put the old ones back in. Maybe eventually I'll mod the stock ones. I saw on Dustin Williams' channel he had all his lights modified, and those tail lights. Gotta say, I mean, I was always a fan of the Subie Speed tail lights, but just because the sequential and I thought the C light was a lot better. Still, the C on the brake light itself, I don't think it's that great. The Subie Speed ones were just like, it was like one light, which made it look awesome, but the sequential and like the show mode and all that is awesome. So maybe I'll do something with my front turn signals eventually. I know you could open them up and spray the reflector, but for now we're gonna throw the stock ones in. It's really not even that hard to take these back out if you ever want to. I mean, I was talking to you the whole time. You saw, took these out. There's, in the wheel well, there's a clip, this guy. And I don't have any of the clips underneath the bumper. So why not take, what was it, six, 2 on each side, so 8 clips or whatever, and then you're right off. Yeah. The fuck? What the fuck is going on? Stepping on my splitter because it's APR, and APR is indestructible. What we gotta do here, throw these back in. We'll take the old ones back out, then throw these in. So I don't even remember what's holding it in. Oh, I think I gotta take the fog bezel off. Alright, so pop the fog bezel off. This is a story for another time. I'll get to that one. Got 2 bolts right here, 2 10mm. Pop these off. Pull the signal out that way, and pop the new one in and call it a day. Old one, pop the old one in. A little corroded here. Can't have anything nice. Anything, 1 or 2? I'm gonna say 1 because 2's a little corroded there. Let's see if I can get it off. Definitely not that size. About an 11. Oh, nice, no 11. Who needs that one? Who needs an 11? I win. One down, 1 to go. Alright, so I guess since I did that side, I struggled with that side. This side should be easier, hopefully. Alright, so let's throw on the hazards and check it out. Uh-oh. Fantastic. So I guess I know what I'm doing tomorrow. I will be going to Pep Boys, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Napa, Advanced Auto Parts, RS Strauss, or one of those other automotive stores that carry light bulbs. Alright, so I'm going to throw the bumper back on. Let's get rid of that chicken bone first. That's disgusting. Alright, let's throw this bumper back on and we'll give a little recap. Taking my bumper off plenty of time, so going back on. I usually like to line it up, lift it, at least get the top part on, and then you don't have to put them all in, put 1 or 2 in just so the bumper doesn't fall back off. I mean, unless you have 2 people. If you have 2 people, a lot easier, but 1 person, just put like 2 of these in. You don't even have to tighten them all the way, just get them started, just so it's kind of like an anchor for it to hold in place. Then you want to gotta be a little rough with it. Maybe not that rough. Oh, my finger. Oh god, it's freaking Friday. It doesn't even feel like Friday. Oh, I know, because I have work tomorrow. Great. These things, they're called conical washers. They look fantastic. Pain in the ass. Alright. Oh. Can't forget that. And that. Alright, so quick recap. The like I said, the bumper might seem a little ridiculous to take off considering you could go through the fender liner. But at this point it doesn't really matter to me to take off the bumper because I've done it so many times that it's like, these are the smoke turn signals. Is it LED? You could tell all the LED lights in there. They look pretty good. I always like them, but getting a little tired of this smoke look. I want a little slightly different look. It's nothing, don't have to be a drastic difference, but go back to stock for a little while. It makes you like the stock parts a little more. It's just like the hood. I had the carbon fiber hood for a while, went back to stock. Loving the stock hood again. Same with the taillights. Not the steering wheel though. I like the aftermarket steering wheel. Took this guy off. It was, I mean, you saw how simple it was. I actually don't know how long this wrap is gonna last because I put it right on the OEM plastic, and before I even finished it was already bubbling up in some spots. I don't know if you could tell. I don't know if you can see it at all. Looks like right there. Now all I did was wipe that down with rubbing alcohol, and then I put the wrap on it. I'm no wrap expert. That probably took me a little bit longer than it should have taken, but it was very simple to do. I would say it maybe took me about 15 minutes, but a professional probably could have did it in like 2 minutes. It's on there for now. I think it looks really good, and now that I'm talking about it, I realized I forgot to show you how close it was to body color. Actually, these are that same color wrap. You can see it's starting to get messed up there. It's close. When I get a clean car, I can try to show you a little bit better. If you have World Rally Blue and you want to wrap something on your car, this one is like super close. This is the closest one I could find to match the paint color. You're gonna have to Google it on Amazon to find it.
Just Google it on Amazon or eBay, whatever.
If you guys know if I should have done something else with this plastic gauge cluster hood thing, please let me know and I'll redo it. Hopefully. It's not gonna last very long. Yeah. Got this. Gotta get a turn signal bulb, and yeah, so anyway, thanks for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna be trying to do weekly content, at least once a week. If you feel free to comment to something I messed up, especially the vinyl, comment about the vinyl. If you know if I did something wrong, if I should have prepped it differently, maybe used a different product. I used rubbing alcohol. Maybe I should have used something else. Maybe, I don't know. And don't forget to give a thumbs up for it. And that's it. So I'll see you soon, guys.